Mom's diet.
I am too heavy, said Mom. No, you're not, we said. You're only saying that, said Mom. Look at me. I am much too heavy, and I'm going on a diet. We all moaned and groaned. Now we wouldn't have spaghetti, and that was our favorite meal. Lettuce and tomatoes. Lettuce and tomatoes is not our favorite meal. Our favorite meal is spaghetti. I thought you liked lettuce and tomatoes, said Mom. Lettuce and tomatoes are not the same as spaghetti, we said. The next day, Mom said, You'll be pleased. Today, we're not having lettuce and tomatoes. Fantastic! We said. Today, said Mom, we're having parsley and carrots and broiled fish. Oh, we groaned. That's not the same as spaghetti. We said to Mom, You have broiled fish and we'll have spaghetti. No, cried Mom. I can't sit here watching you gobble down spaghetti. You could close your eyes, we said. After school, we went to Dad's place. Do you have spaghetti, Dad? Don't tell me, said Dad. Your mother's on a diet. Yes, and we miss spaghetti, we replied. Every morning, Mom got on the scale. I'm still too heavy, she would say. And we would always say, No, you're not, Mom. You're just right. One afternoon, we came home to a fantastic smell. Spaghetti! Diet's over, said Mom. 3 cheers! We yelled. We hugged Mom. You're our cuddly Mom. We like you just as you are. I like me too, laughed Mom.